In today's video, you will learn how to make an account on Instagram. So I am Sam and welcome to our channel How to Guide It. So first you will go to google.com and type Instagram. You will be suggested to have it and click on the Instagram. You will open Instagram website. You can now log in with your Facebook ID if you have one, or if you haven't any Facebook ID, then you can create your own ID by clicking on the sign up. Click on the sign up, fill out your mobile number or email address, fill out your full name, fill out your username. If you are thinking about your own username, you can fill your own username, and if it is available you can acquire it. And if you want to be auto suggested by the Instagram, you can have one also, and fill your password, and then in the last click on sign up. When you will click on the sign up, you will be having an account on Instagram. So if you like this video, press the like button, comment your thoughts and share with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more updates and more questions about your thoughts.